कितने लोगों ने नाचा है प्लीज मेरे को बताएं। वो अजनबी में मैंने नाचा है।
वो अजनबी जो देखे दूर से।
मुझे आज भी पोस्ट्स आते हैं एंड स्टोरीज आते हैं जो लोग मुझे टैग करते हैं दैट दे स्टिल डांसिंग टू दैट सॉन्ग।
मुझे गेडी कल्चर हमेशा ना क्वेश्चनेबल लगता है।
स्टॉप मेकिंग गर्ल्स अ टारगेट, यू नो।
Yeah.
कैसा टाइम चेंज हो गया कि इतना अनसेफ हो चुका है कि अब डर लगता है कि आप अकेले कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते हो वहाँ। Why is it the opposite way? Why is it that girls have to always feel unsafe? Working, there's a lot of things that I will not do and I cannot do. But when you are young and opportunities came your way, at that time you feel like तो अगर कई चीज़ें मेरे हाथ से निकल जाती तो कई बार डर लगता है कि अगर ना मिले तो कोई और ऑफर ना आए तो। मुझे ये बताया गया था कि आपको काम करने की क्या जरूरत है।
ओहो,
आपको क्यों काम करना है, आप तो शादी कर रहे हैं।
बजीपा को आपने स्टार्टिंग में भाव नहीं दिया था, मैंने सुना।
हाँ,
क्यों ऐसा की?
मैं माँ बाप को छोड़ के, फैमिली को छोड़ के इंडिया आई हूँ, कुछ बनने के लिए आई थी। बट ही रियली प्रूव टू बी लाइक द परफेक्ट मैन। I tried twice and I had 2 miscarriages and it was a very, very difficult time. But it is not easy because you do feel like you losing a child. It is
कितना मेंटली कितना इफेक्ट होता है? ये देखिए गीता जी को ले आए हम लोग मेल फेमिनिस्ट पे। कैसी हैं आप?
बढ़िया।
यार पता नहीं लोगों को पता होगा कि नहीं, बट आपकी अंग्रेजी और उसके एक्सेंट को कोई भी जज करे हमारे कमेंट्स में, उससे पहले बताना जरूरी है कि आप पोर्ट्समouth इंग्लैंड में बड़ी हुई हैं। तो वो जीवन कैसा था वहाँ का, मतलब आसपास एरियाज, हाउ सेफ वाज इट एज अ गर्ल?
Yeah, very safe, you know, when I was growing up. In fact, हम ये बातें करते हैं कि कैसा टाइम चेंज हो गया कि इतना अनसेफ हो चुका है कि अब डर लगता है कि आप अकेले कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते हो वहाँ।
इतना बुरा हाल है क्या यूके में?
बहुत बुरा हाल। When I see the state now कि safety of women or anyone in fact, you know, of different ethnicity and डर लगता है।
और खामखा हम दिल्ली को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं। यहाँ यूके की बात हो रही है।
UK, and I love UK. It's a beautiful country, but I sometimes feel कि थोड़ा crime out of control हो गया है।
बट आप अपने पिताजी के कन्वीनियंस स्टोर पे भी गल्ला संभालती थी या पूरी दुकान भी संभालती थी? किराने की दुकान?
Yes, we had a convenience store where we sold everything. It was a local grocery store for all the residents आसपास, the schools. सुबह 5:30 बजे से स्टोर खुलता था।
अच्छा, आप सुबह 5:30 से लग जाती थी?
4 बजे उठना पड़ता था, 5:30 बजे स्टोर खुलता था। And you know, the hard work, the labor behind even doing, because we didn't have staff, mom and dad did everything themselves, सब अपने आप करते थे। एक बोतल पे प्राइस टैग्स लगाओ।
सही बात है।
So it was, yeah, it's nice. You learn a lot from that. You interact with a lot of customers.
Yeah.
पैसे की वैल्यू आती है। You understand small things and
सही बात है।
अच्छा।
कैसे थे पिताजी, मतलब how is a dad making a strong woman like this happen?
I mean, he's raised two very strong, independent girls, but I think more of the credit goes to my mom क्योंकि उन्होंने जो हमें पाला और मेहनत की हमारे पीछे। She was a businesswoman. And still is a businesswoman. She has a hotel that she runs. She takes care of the family. She looks after her kids, her grandkids as well when they're there, but still manages a business. And वो चीज़ जो मैंने सीखा है कि देखो आप दोनों चीज़ कर सकते हो. You can multitask, you can balance both your professional and your personal life. And that's been inspirational for me. I want to be like that. I want to have my kids, I want to have my family, but I also want to live with my dreams and fulfill my dreams.
Hats off to all women who multitask. मेरी माँ सेम कैरेक्टर हैं, जो कई बार कम काम करती हैं तो उनका दिमाग घूम जाता है कि मैं इतना कम काम कैसे कर रही हूँ। And I'm just like, थोड़ा चिल कर लो मम्मी। But if your mom is one of these moms, super moms I should call them,
they really
तो प्लीज कमेंट्स में उन्हें नेम एंड फेम करें।
अभी मैं खुद सोचती हूँ, मेरी बेटी जब से बेटी हुई है कि यार 18 साल की उम्र में मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे एक forget a different city. She came to a different country in a city where we had no contacts, not even a single person we knew. वहाँ अपनी बेटी को वहाँ रखना and letting her fulfill her dreams is a very big thing for a mother. भले मेरी मासी यहाँ आई पंजाब से to look after us, to look after me for good 8 years, 7 years. But फिर भी अपनी माँ को अपनी बेटी को छोड़ना वो भी दुख लगता है. I never left my home ever, you know, at a young age. पहली बार 18 साल की उम्र में.
अच्छा सीधा यहीं आई थी ना? हाँ, correct.
Yeah. So a lot of kids go to university. They leave home. Like my sister left home for university, so she studied ahead. I didn't go to university. I सीधा came here. नहीं तो मेरा वो टाइम निकल जाता है.
फिल्में आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी हैं.
That is, yes, absolutely, and I'm glad I made that decision.
ये बताओ कि एक अगर सॉलिड एडवाइस अपनी मम्मी की आप लेके चलती है जिंदगी में.
Live truthfully and live with a clear conscience. When you go to bed at night, you should always feel that आपने I believe in karam more than anything else, that you do right. Never, you know, follow just what everyone else is doing. Just go to bed knowing that आपने जो किया सही किया, किसी का दिल नहीं दुखा, कुछ गलत काम नहीं किया.
बहुत सही है. तो कभी कोई रास्ता चलते untoward incident, you didn't face any kind of catcalling or you know any person being weird with you on road?
Honestly, no. Even after being the only Asian Indian girl in my school and my college,
no racism.
No racism.
That's so nice.
I maybe once, like briefly, but not to the extent that it's really like that it, you know, scarred me or anything like that. It was just like maybe just ऐसे conversation में किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया. But I haven't faced like hardcore racism, touch wood.
लेकिन फिर इंडिया आके कभी रास्ते चलते आपके साथ कुछ?
नहीं, I love this city. I just think this city has given me everything and has probably everything and more.
मुंबई बड़ा सेफ है. जितनी महिलाएं हमारे शो पे आई उन्होंने यही बोला है.
That's why I think we're raising our kids here, because it's one of the safest cities in India.
That's true.
And for a girl having a daughter, that's our foremost priority for having their kids' safety. Mumbai is the city for that. So and it's such a vibrant, happening city.
मुझे गेडी कल्चर हमेशा ना क्वेश्चनेबल लगता है.
ये साउथ हॉल में लोग करते हैं, यूके में
करते हैं क्या?
Blasting music and guys are driving around checking out the girls.
Like I don't know about Gedi culture and how it can ever get sanitized, but like
I don't know what it is. Why they feel it's cool? It's not cool. Like it's so uncool. Like have the himmat to go up to a girl and have a conversation, and that's how you should like try and attract someone, not by thinking that you got this car, windows down, convertible, blasting music, ऐसे गेड़ियाँ लगा रहे हो, लड़कियों को छेड़ रहे हो. I think it's just so cheap.
That's true.
So
But
cheap.
मेरा मकसद यही होता है कि जो छेड़ा-छेड़ी होती है वो कोई हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन से किन्हीं लोगों तक पहुंचे और ये रुके.
Yeah, 100%. Don't make girls feel unsafe. ना हम क्यों unsafe feel करें? And stop making girls a target. You know, लड़के ऐसे जाएंगे तो लड़कियां थोड़ी ऐसे छेड़ते हैं लड़कों को.
हाँ जी.
तो why is it the opposite way? Why is it that girls have to always feel unsafe?
यार ये बताइए कि बहनहुड कैसा था? मतलब what are the relationship, banter, fun conversations, absolute madness, क्या क्या रही है?
I have to say I'm blessed with the best sisters in my life. If it wasn't for them, my life would probably not be what it is today. I genuinely feel that every girl should have their girl gang, you know, like if you find not even a handful, if you've even got 2-3 best friends, sisters in your life is complete, like content. You know, और मेरा सच में ऐसा है कि बिना मेरी sisters के बगैर ना I would be incomplete. In front of my girls, I'm the real Geeta. My real sister is Ruby, but Sunita and Shana, they're my best friends, my sisters, my cousin. एक तो Sunita, we came together to Mumbai.
That's the behenhood that we all ask for when we speak to our women and our female friends. तो अगर आपके पास ये tribe है तो please उस tribe को नीचे mention करो और सब्सक्राइब कर लेना ऑर्डर फ्लाई को. बट जनरली रूबी जी क्या इम्पार्ट कर रही थी, या आप क्योंकि बड़ी हैं तो आप क्या इम्पार्ट कर रही थी उनको? लाइक वर यू एबल टू टेल हर दैट puberty is going to hit, this is what you're going to experience?
No, I was a big bully.
Really?
बचपन में हम बहुत लड़ते थे, बहुत मार खाई मैंने. Because I felt like all the attention should be on me, Bachari, and she's such a quiet one. But today we are really close, and she's shifted to Mumbai.
Arey वाह.
Yeah, so she's here now with us, and it's so nice to have her here.
But dating story share करती थी आप?
हाँ.
फिर?
हाँ, she was my secret keeper.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
वो शांत वाली है.
Yeah, she's शांत है, good girl, perfect daughter.
So locker है.
Will never, tell my secrets or get me into trouble.
That's so nice. वो अजनबी के जितने कितने लोगों ने नाचा है प्लीज मेरे को बताएं कमेंट्स में, क्योंकि वो अजनबी में मैंने नाचा है।
मुझे आज भी पोस्ट्स आते हैं एंड स्टोरीज आते हैं जो लोग मुझे टैग करते हैं that they're still dancing to that song. ऐसा
And
नहीं
that
कि
whole
तभी
pelvic
dancing,
move is not
yeah,
even
people are
easy.
still doing their movements to that song and sending me stories and stuff and choreographing dance moves to that.
यार क्योंकि हम ट्रेन की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो जनरली क्या होता है, इंडियन फैमिलीज हम कंजर्वेटिव हैं कई कई बार, तो किसी को आपत्ति नहीं थी उस किसी भी प्रकार के किरदार के चीजें जो आप कर रहे थे उससे? Did family, extended family not say anything?
Working, there's a lot of things that I will not do and I cannot do. But when you were young and opportunities came your way, at that time you feel like, तो अगर कई चीज़ें मेरे हाथ से निकल जाती तो कई बार डर लगता है कि अगर ना मिले तो, कोई और ऑफर ना आए तो, क्योंकि you feel like भगवान ने आपको कोई चीज़ दिया है, and he's giving you that opportunity. But if you let go of it, and then you never get that opportunity, because I was so ambitious and so like, for me it was just about living movies and eating movies and drinking movies. Everything was about just being in cinema and just working. And you're an actor. There's certain things you have to do as a character. So ऐसा मौका मिला कि मैं अपना एक्टिंग के साथ भी एक ऐसी फिल्म है जहाँ I'm not just given 2 scenes and एक गाना and you're done. And failures are what makes you who you are, never success.
सही बात बोली आप। गीता जी, आप बोलते बोलते मैं बोली कि आप बाहर से आई थी और मासी और माँ थी, मासी माँ जैसी थी, बट आप ऑडिशंस के लिए जब जाती थी तब कितना इनसाइडर वर्सेस आउटसाइडर वाला फील आता था? कितना आपको टेंशन होती थी या कितना प्रिविलेजेस किसी और को मिलते हुए देखती थी आप?
Well, I honestly don't believe in this whole nepotism thing.
Okay.
It's something that I just feel like I don't know why it's such a big issue. If you're born in a family where it's your mom and dad are actors, of course you're mostly going to be inclined towards that direction in life, right? In that career.
या सिनेमा की दुनिया में आ सकते हो।
Cinema की दुनिया में, right? And the same when a child, I've seen most of my friends who are my uncle and aunties who are doctors, उनके बच्चे भी doctors ही निकलते हैं।
जी।
So why is it such a huge topic?
बट आपको कभी ऑडिशंस में ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं?
ऑनेस्टली मेरे टाइम पे ना ज़्यादा ऑडिशंस नहीं थे, मैंने तो नहीं किए ज़्यादा ऑडिशंस, जो मैंने किया अपने दम पे किया, आई वाज सिलेक्टेड द मोमेंट।
मतलब कोऑर्डिनेटर्स होते थे अपने?
मैनेजर्स होते थे, या सो दे विल गेट योर इनिशियल मीटिंग एंड इफ दे लाइक्ड यू, दे लाइक्ड योर पोर्टफोलियो, देन लाइक फॉर माय फर्स्ट फिल्म आदित्य ने एक स्क्रीन टेस्ट लिया था। दे हैड डिसाइडेड दैट या शी इज़ गुड एंड विल टेक अ स्क्रीन टेस्ट ऑफ हाउ शी इज़ लुकिंग ऑन स्क्रीन। वो किया था, बट आई डिडंट डू सो मेनी ऑडिशंस।
बट बजीपा को आपने स्टार्टिंग में भाव नहीं दिया था, मैंने सुना।
हाँ,
क्यों ऐसा की?
मेरा ना फोकस अलग था, मेरा एम्बिशन अलग था, मेरा ड्राइव अलग था। मैं अपने माँ बाप को छोड़ के, फैमिली को छोड़ के इंडिया आई हूँ, कुछ बनने के लिए आई थी। बट ही रियली प्रूव टू बी लाइक द परफेक्ट मैन and this persistent man that you could not say no, and I just felt like ये ऐसा आदमी, and I genuinely feel that my whole maqsad of coming to Mumbai was probably to find him rather than me being in this industry. He loved the poster, he loved how I looked in वो अजनबी, and he was like ये लड़की कौन है? फिर युवराज ने थोड़ा सा Cupid play किया।
अरे वाह।
Yeah, he got.
You knew Yuvraj from before?
No, I didn't know.
Then how he played Cupid?
He has so many connections to the film industry, right?
Yeah.
So Yuvraj, there's no one better than him. And he got in touch with a common friend of ours. He got in touch with me. He said, I want you to meet someone. I said, I'm not interested, But then, look, today we're married with 2 kids.
How is he as a father to the daughter?
Oh, he's fantastic. He's unbelievable. He's an amazing hands-on father.
Really?
Yeah, of course. If I'm sitting here with you, it's because my kids are with him at home.
बहुत
and
सुंदर.
that is how it is. Like, and we always do that if one person is shooting or is busy with work, the other parent will be at home with the kids. दोनों साथ में grow करो with each other's understanding, not permission, understanding. Okay, this is what I want to do and I need your support. And I've given my 100% support to him when he needed it. Today, I need his support and he's given me 110%. So that's how it is. That's what beauty of relationship is. See, I'm not this feminist who believes that, I'm going to fight for all these small things for women. But लड़कियों का हर चीज का हक है.
Equality की लड़ाई है, देखिए.
And I really feel today we're living in a generation that yes, women have all the opportunities and the rights today that maybe one there many years ago.
बट पंजाबी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बताइए, कैसा है वहाँ पर? डिस्पैरिटी है क्या? इक्वल सेट्स हैं क्या? वहाँ पर महिलाएं होती हैं सेट पे?
Of course, हमारा जो पहला producer, our producer is a woman.
रियली?
Yeah, the first woman producer in Punjab.
नाम लो फिर, बताओ सबको.
Divya Bhatnagar.
हेलो जी.
Yes,
वाह
Divya
यार, बहुत
Bhatnagar.
सुंदर
What
बात
a
बोली आप.
fantastic producer she's been, and such an amazing woman in Punjab industry में तकरीबन 99% शायद लड़के ही हैं. So to stand among them and make a beautiful film like Meher,
हाँ जी.
she's done a fantastic job, and hats off to her, and may more women come on board and produce such films. Today I'm also a producer
Yeah.
of
Big ups to
Purple
that.
Rose
Yes.
Entertainment, and it feels great. Women have a voice and they should use their voice. Don't let anyone feel they can silence you out, because that should never happen, even in a relationship. हर लड़की का अगर opinion भी है, she has a right to talk about their opinion to her husband or to her boyfriend or to whoever, your boss,
In-laws, yeah.
in-laws. Don't feel like you should be silenced, and that's something the men have to learn. They need to understand that woman has a right to speak out her mind, and that's up to you how you take it
सही बात है.
and how you react to that. That's what it is.
ईगो भी तो हर्ट होती है ना. देखिए मेल
Yeah, exactly. That's what I feel. Men are mostly egoistic. Like men को थोड़ा सा अपना ईगो कम करना चाहिए, and that's when रिश्ते तब सही चलते हैं. ईगो कभी रिश्ते में होने भी नहीं चाहिए. ईगो जिस दिन ईगो आ गया ना, वैसे ही आपका रिश्ता वैसे ही आधा खत्म हो गया. बिकॉज ईगो इज अ किलर. इट इज अ स्लो किलर. एंड लड़कों को कभी ऐसा नहीं फील हो मैं मर्द हूँ, मैं हस्बैंड हूँ, मैं बॉयफ्रेंड हूँ, या मैं बाप हूँ. ये क्यों ठीक है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू आर्ग्यू इट आउट और यू शाउट इट आउट, बट यू हैव अ वॉइस टू रेज व्हाटएवर यू फील इज योर ओपिनियन. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. वुमेन शुड बी एबल टू हैव दैट राइट.
कोई भी पास्ट में कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ आपके साथ? एंड लाइक बिकॉज आई थिंक तापसी ने हमें बताया था, पन्नू जी ने, कि शी हैड एन इंस्टेंस वेयर दे सेड दैट इट्स अ फीमेल centric film and they're doing a narration and she gave it like if she had suggestions to give back, she said नहीं मैडम हम आपको बताएंगे about how the female should perform or how she should be in the film.
I had a little difference, I would say, where things are not taken with another woman director rather than a
really?
male. So I think men kind of, they've been okay. I think whoever I've worked with have been very pleasant and very respectful and very sweet. No kind of intimidation or any kind of that you're silenced out and your voice is not heard. No.
Kudos. देखिए हम लोग ये men hating नहीं है. Feminism is equal to not men hating. It's just equality.
I think today's parents are also teaching their kids very wisely of how you have to be with the opposite sex.
आपने लड़के को क्या इम्पार्ट किया हुआ है to your son?
Oh, I teach him a lot every day. You're not to touch. I mean, him and my daughter fight like crazy, but he's the one who gets told off that don't you touch हिनाया दीदी. Like you cannot, because he's छोटा है ना, 4 साल का है, तो obviously वो लड़ते हैं तो ऐसे जैसे टॉम एंड जेरी है. But
वो तो बनता भी है ना.
Yeah, but you have to teach your child, your son, that how to be respectful and how to have etiquettes and chivalry towards women. I think I believe in that.
Speaking of producers, आपने कभी बोला था कि एक प्रोड्यूसर ने आपको हिदायत दी थी कि आप बताएं ना कि आप शादी करने वाली हैं या डेट कर रही हैं बजीपा को, या बच्चे हो गए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं?
नहीं, मुझे ये बताया गया था कि आपको काम करने की क्या जरूरत है.
ओहो.
आपको क्यों काम करना है? आप तो शादी कर रहे हैं. तो मेरे को ये लॉजिक कभी समझ नहीं आया. मैं क्या मतलब, इसका मतलब है कि आप या ये करो या ये करो, बट दोनों नहीं कर सकते.
ये बताइए, मदरहुड की हमने बात की, आपके बच्चों की बात की, बट काफी कम लोगों को आपकी मिसकैरेजेस के बारे में पता होगा, तो उस समय के बारे में अगर आप शेयर करना चाहेंगी, इफ यू आर ओके.
Yeah. So I always wanted 2 kids. Definitely Hinaya had to have a sibling, and I wanted a lesser gap. I wanted at least a 3 साल का gap हो. I mean, not unfortunate, but God has his own plans, and the plans were that जब होना होता है तब होगा. I tried twice and I had 2 miscarriages, and it was a very, very difficult time because you feel like I'm fit, I'm doing yoga, I'm eating right. What can possibly go wrong? Like, why could I not hold the baby? Why was I miscarrying? But जब वो चीज़ हुई, it kind of hit me and it kind of took me back and thought that wow, I never expected this, because it was so easy with Hinaya to conceive and to be pregnant. Hinaya happened straight away, like literally after marriage. I gave birth to Hinaya a year later. No complications. It's smooth pregnancy, easy pregnancy. But then when I got pregnant 3 years after, and I miscarried. I was not expecting that because you just thought that it's going to be that easy again. I knew hoga, but with the right doctors, I had the most amazing doctor, Dr. Sheria, Nozer Sheria, who really guided me and kept me positive and kept me strong. And he was just like, don't worry, you're fit, you're fine, it will happen. Just try again. You know, and then third time lucky, Jovan happened during COVID.
Congratulations.
Yeah, but it is not easy because you do feel like you losing a child. It is.
कितना mentally कितना effect होता है?
Like I said, I won't lie, it was hard, but you have to be mentally strong.
How
like,
to be?
You have to make yourself strong. You have to think that it's okay. Keep trying, and keep trying till it happens. Don't give up. And then today, science is so advanced that even if it doesn't happen, there are other ways of having a baby.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the beauty of science today.
How was your partner being supportive as a support system during this time?
Yeah, he was supportive. I know when the first miscarriage I had, he was in Punjab, so he flew in the next day, and you know, I had to have a minor procedure in the hospital, so he was there with that. Through that, my girlfriends were a huge rock in my life. They really encouraged me because another sister of mine had a miscarriage as well. So she kind of gave me advice that don't worry, hoga, but just hang in there and just do what the doctor says. So that's what I did, and I think having a great support system is what makes you carry on in life and have a positive outlook.
Is he a crier? Like, does he cry, your partner? No.
No, he's very emotional.
क्या मतलब emotional मतलब picture देख के रोएंगे या?
Picture देख के नहीं रोएंगे, but things affect him very quickly. He's very sensitive.
Yeah.
I'm not so much. Like, I'm probably more practical. Like, I just get over things and I'm like, ठीक है यार. But उनको दिल पे चुभ जाती हैं चीजें.
Did he sit with it for a while, the first miscarriage?
Yeah, I think it did affect him. Of course, it affects any parent, yeah, because you don't expect it. When the first has gone so naturally and so easily, the second you also expect it to be the same, right?
And I've heard, and we speak about this, if you're okay, period cycles also go for a toss after because of the medicines and the processes?
Period cycle, देखो first time तो it took a couple of months, yes, because you have conceived, right? So when you lose a baby, it takes your body to come back to its normal routine. But I mean, normal हो जाता है थोड़ी देर बाद, and then the doctor gives you the go ahead कि you can again try if you're ready.
ठीक है.
But I feel no one can ever be prepared for it. I don't think anyone I think these are the hardest parts of being parents, is when you have to lose anything that you've conceived.
Generally, second miscarriage धक्का ज़्यादा नहीं लगा मतलब because.
No, you know what? With my second miscarriage, क्या हुआ? When I was pregnant with Jovan, you won't believe everything I did. I got the heart rate machine to check that the heart is, you know, constantly beating. I'm checking every single day, like 3 times a day, just checking everything's okay, because you have this thing in your head that I just want this to be as smooth as possible, you know.
Or coming back to work, springing back to work, कितना difficult था as a mother?
It's as difficult as you make it. I feel like us women, हम औरतों में ना बहुत शक्ति है. To be honest, I have to give credit to my husband, because without him I couldn't have done it. And that balance is possible when both of you are balancing the household together. Like Bajji is also with me. He's a partner. He's my companion. He's the father of my kids. And that's something that men should also see that and be inspired by that men have equal roles in raising children.
Yep.
And that's something that Bajji fully, मतलब पूरी जिम्मेदारी उन्होंने भी संभाला है. And I don't think this should be like, oh my God, wow, उनका फर्ज है, उनका. It's not something that should be such a huge topic. कि, oh my God, उसने देखो nappy change किया है. Why is it a topic?
मम्मी गिल्ट है?
मम्मी गिल्ट था कि उनको छोड़ना बहुत पत्थर रखना पड़ता है दिल पे. Like, it's the hardest thing in the world is to leave your children. But at the same time, I want them to learn that your mother also chased her dreams, and she's also a working woman. And that's something I want my daughter to learn. I want my son to see. So they also have that thing when they grow up. Yes, my mom also worked. My dad also worked. And you know,
That's the norm.
It's a norm. Yeah.
Moving on, mothers के लिए कितना बदलाव आना चाहिए? Like, do you think there is space for change to be?
Of course, maybe a lot of women felt उनका यही काम था, बस बच्चों को खाना खिलाओ और नल्हाओ और काम
घर
खत्म।
संभालो, हाँ।
अभी आज एक बच्चे को इतना अटेंशन दिया जाता है, उनको सिखाया जाता है, बैठा के उनको समझाना, एजुकेट करना। I think women are really like hats off.
Upping the game.
Yeah. And every mother is doing their best. I can see every mother wants to do the best. Yeah.
And correct me if I'm wrong, अगर छोटे शहरों में बदलाव आए हैं और हमें नहीं पता है और हम रैंडम शहरी बायस मार रहे हैं आप तक, तो प्लीज हमें बताना।
No, I'm talking general. I'm not talking बड़े शहर, छोटे शहर. I think all
वो मैं
mothers
बोल
today,
रहा हूँ
I think
इसलिए।
with social media,
is helping.
is helping a lot as well. You're learning a lot from it. There's a cons to it, but there's pros also to it. So
Yeah, 100%. बट ये बताओ कि पेरीमेनोपॉज या मेनोपॉज की टेंशन आई कभी?
where we're at that age where we'll have to kind of
Think.
I mean you read so much about it. You got friends going through it. You get your sisters are going through it. Your mom's going through it. There's so many things that you learn with each other when you talk to each other.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean it's what's natural. It's force of nature. It's something that's gonna
तो यही
happen.
सोचा आपने, ऐसा
It's
ज़्यादा
force
इस
of
पे
nature.
विचार नहीं
Yeah,
किया?
of course. क्या सोच के क्या करना है? Like जब होना होगा तो होगा. We have to deal with it as it comes. Live and let live. Just time आएगा. Take it as it flows. अब अभी सोच के बैठूंगी अभी ये होने वाला है 10 साल में. अभी कैसे सोचूंगी, कैसे करूंगी, क्या होगा? जब टाइम आएगा, you just you get the right advice, right doctors, right people around you to navigate that time.
Perfect. Quick final set of questions क्योंकि हमारे स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं। फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी कितनी है और कहाँ से आई?
मेरी मम्मी से। She handles all the accounts, all the VAT returns, the tax returns, everything my mom did.
Why
She
you know?
advises me.
That's superb यार।
Yeah.
मतलब पहली बार मैं ये सुन रहा है। Thank you so much for being on our show and helping us navigate all of these topics so beautifully. Please हमें comments में बताओ what we should do better, what questions would you suggest. इनका मेहर पिक्चर जाके देखिए आप लोग, Who's the Boss देखिए, बताइए कैसा लगा. Which is the best most like fun couple to have on the show? Can you tell us?
Jaspreet Bumrah.
Oh, yeah?
Jaspreet was hilarious.
Really?
And Surya was also really fun. They're all being good. Rohit also. Everyone knows Rohit to be really
Yeah.
funny. So it was nice to get Ritika out of her shell because Ritika doesn't usually come in
But
front
is
of
she
the
the
camera.
manager? She runs the show?
Yeah, but she's not very
On camera. Yeah.
So it's nice to see that side. So that was the whole idea of the show, that we want to see the women.
Thank you so much, Geeta. You have been a delight to talk to. This is me, Siddharth Alamban, signing on The Male Feminist. Next, I will see you with her on The Bombay Journey. Bye.